Ingredients for Good is our volunteer initiative that really allows all of our employees to participate in hands-on volunteer events.
All right, let's start packing.
It's a partnership between PCB and the Greater Twin Cities United Way. And what we're doing today with their support is packing culturally accessible meal kits.
And this year we're thrilled because those meals include meal kits for pets. And so we know that when families are facing food insecurity, that often it's impacting their beloved pets at home as well.
Well, we're really excited about the partnership we have with Post Consumer Brands. It's been really fun to watch it grow over the last 3 years into this really amazing partnership doing amazing things. And most recently, over the last couple of years, not just grow here in the Twin Cities, but also grow across the country.
Each and every one of us, we're blessed to be able to have jobs, to be able to provide for our families. And so we want to give back to those that are less fortunate.
Yes, we killed it.
Our purpose is all about making delicious food accessible for all. So us coming together and being a part of a team that brings that accessibility to those that are less fortunate than us, it's just something that makes us feel good, and it's all about living our values of doing the right thing.